Wow, look at me, man. Another day as a champion. I'm just gonna say it here, and I'm just gonna say it as it is. I'm the best champion in EBW. Because I know Jim Milton may think he's a good champion, but him and his lazy brand ain't nothing compared to me and my brand. Because this is my brand. There's nothing you can say about it. I rule this brand. There's not a single damn person in this entire EBW history that can even wipe a smack over me. Yeah, BurningDemon's done it once. He can't do it again. You hear that, BurningDemon? You cannot do it. Look at you, bro. Look how stupid you look.
My champion right there. You've been a great title holder for me, but I think it's about time I take it back. You're the reason I lost it, and you're gonna be the reason I win it, pal.
You've only took it from me once or twice, and that's not gonna happen again. I know your tricks. BurningDemon, you're gonna say something like, yeah, let's have a match right now. The bell's suddenly rings and you turn around and then you hit me. And you end up winning. That ain't how it works now.
You think that's not how it works in my brother's company? Well, guess what? Let's have a match.
No. Chant it with me, guys. No. Because I'm planning on having a match with someone who's able to, someone who can.
That's someone you can beat?
No. Someone that's tough enough to even give me a little challenge. Because no one's been able to do that.
Who's beaten you every time for that champion that you have defaced?
You have, but I don't think you're tough enough to even wipe a smack of dust on my shirt. Okay? I'm too proper for you. Yeah.
Listen, I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to fight.
I have someone, a mystery opponent, and if you can end up beating him tonight, then you can immediately move on to having a match against me for my championship. What do you think?
There's not a person in this company right now that can beat me. So you're on, pal.
Yeah, that's what you think.
Enjoy your time.
Until he shows up. Yes, it's a he. I won't have you wrestling a woman.
Then it'd be too easy for me.
Yeah, until he shows up, until he wipes your face over this mat. Then, if you end up beating him, then you could start talking. But I wouldn't recommend
talking. Well, you're on.
Okay.